So omsim means in Tagalog, it's like saying correct. You know, you are right. Like when someone says to you something, it's like omsim, ayan, like that. But let's have your fans teach you how to pronounce it properly, okay? Just so we have that interaction here. Are you guys ready to say omsim and teach them how to say it? All right then, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
That's how I heard.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So I think what we can do is maybe the fans can say, Kim Siono pa ang pogi mo on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Salamat po.
Oh, he's too humble. He's too humble. Di niya kinaya. Sige, okay. But yes, that was our first word, omsim. All right.
How you did it?
Kinaya na lang daw. Mahinag ganun. Okay, okay. Oh. What do you think this means? Eme lang, charot. What do you think that means?
Charot. 됐어.
Never mind.
됐어.
Tama, tama. Okay, so these two expressions are actually very similar. They're both the same way of saying, it's a joke. Parang just kidding. It applies pa rin pala. Oh, joke lang. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now, let's be so much fun that this 2-hour show is gonna be a 4-hour show.
애매랑.
Okay.
근데 둘이 다 다른 말이야?
Are those two different? Like it has different meanings?
근데 이게 누구나 다 쓰는 말이야?
Is this a word that everyone uses?
난 이 말 한 번도 안 써봤다.
Raise your hand if you haven't used this word in your entire life.
Ever?
많은데?
Ang dami.
But you're aware, diba? They're popular terms, they're popular phrases. Yes. Oh, one more. Okay, this one. You say charot, okay? You know the shower scene in Queen of Tears?